What causes hot and cold spots in my home? Hot and cold spots are usually caused by uneven airflow, poor insulation, air leaks, sunlight, and rooms that do not have enough return air. Warm air naturally rises while cooler air settles lower, so rooms on different floors can feel very different. Sunlight can also heat one side of the house, especially through large windows or rooms facing west in the afternoon. Small gaps around windows, doors, wiring, pipes, and attic openings let heated or cooled air escape. A lesser-known cause is duct leakage, where air disappears into the attic, crawl space, or walls before reaching the room. Some rooms have supply vents but not enough return air paths, so air cannot circulate properly and the room becomes uncomfortable. Furniture, rugs, or curtains can block vents and quietly reduce airflow. Dirty filters and clogged indoor coils can also weaken the entire air system, even if the thermostat says everything is working. To find the cause, close all windows and doors, replace a dirty filter, make sure vents are open and uncovered, and hold a tissue near duct connections to look for moving air. You can also compare room temperatures with a simple thermometer and ask a contractor to inspect insulation, ductwork, and air leaks instead of immediately replacing the entire system. One common mistake is closing vents in rooms that feel too warm, but that can increase pressure in the ducts and make airflow problems worse, so keep vents open and adjust the system professionally. Another mistake is placing a fan or thermostat near a sunny window, lamp, kitchen, or supply vent, so keep the thermostat on an interior wall away from direct heat. People also often blame the air conditioner or heater when the real problem is missing insulation or leaking ducts, so request an airflow and duct inspection before buying new equipment. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.